All right, good morning. It is Saturday, August the 7th. We had a slight change of plans in our weekend and became available to go have some fun. So we are taking
to a hotel.
Yeah, we're taking a quick trip to Hot Springs, Arkansas. Yeah, we're just gonna check it out.
Oklahoma.
No, Arkansas.
Oklahoma.
Arkansas.
Okay,
Arkansas.
Oklahoma.
Arkansas. Daddy's driving, and the only plans that we for sure have is we are going to eat at the Porterhouse, the Porterhouse in Hot Springs. It's supposed to be a world-renowned, famous restaurant steak. So it had 5 stars on Google, so that was good enough for me. And yeah, so let's see where the adventure takes us.
I've been trying to do it right.
Back roads, interstate, back roads.
I've been sleeping in my bed, sleeping in my bed. So show me family, all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know.
Yeah, so now
to get here. I'm 8 now.
all right, so we're gonna go get us something to eat and figure out where we're gonna stay, because we literally are just like flipping coins here, just trying to decide where we go next. So stay tuned.
I belong.